Alright, y'all, I was trying to find a nice quiet spot in the house so I could do this unboxing of this car mount that I've been having for probably 4 or 5 months, just sitting in the house, sitting in the box. And I said, let me go ahead and unbox this thing and get it set up here in the car. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna get it set up right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I think it's some kind of Ulanzi car mount. Of course, it came in this big old box. Ooh, it's hot in here. If I roll the windows down, y'all gonna hear a whole bunch of sirens and just highway traffic. So I'm gonna try to do this as quick as I can. This is called a camera suction cup mount. It's safe for GoPro, but it better work for my camera too. Well, in fact, I know it do, because the whole reason I bought this mount was because of somebody who I follow on YouTube. She got the same camera as me. Do she got the same camera as me? I think she got the same camera as me, and she be having all the goodies. And every time I watch her videos on those specific items, I end up going ahead and buying the item. Thumbnail. When you open the box, you find a bag. Then here's the product. This thing heavy. Man, this thing heavy. And it's supposed to, ooh, and it's supposed to like suction to your window or your dashboard. This thing is heavy. My camera is lightweight, but this thing is heavy. This thing heavier than my camera. We got this piece, and then we got this is heavy too. Then we got this piece. Then we got this.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and your.
So I finally got this together. You had to put this on top. You had to adjust this, fit this on top, tighten it all back up. Fairly simple. Okay, y'all. So now we are going to install the Ulanzi car mounts in the car. And I was wondering, should I just leave it like up here on the dash somewhere, or should I go ahead and put it on the window? Would that be better? Now, this mount has fallen off my cabinet. I don't know if I did something wrong, or maybe my cabinet was just greasy or something like that. It was a little bit greasy. And other people have said theirs has never fallen off. And somebody had commented and said, you know, it's harder to stick on wood than it would be on glass. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and post this up here. Install it up here. So give me a second And let me get this together. But let's see. So if I set it like, what's the best spot, the best angle? Would it be best to be more down here? That way if my camera did fall, it won't have a long ways to drop, right? Okay, it's supposed to be stuck up there. The red line is now pushed in. This should be up here, sturdy. And let me grab my camera real quick. So y'all, we gotta go through a lot to make these videos, don't we? All right, now, if I move this up some, and now I got to lock this back so this won't fall. Trying to work with one hand. All right. I can't see where the darn hole is for this. Like this. It's crazy.
You need help?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, let me help you.
I can't see how to get this on here.
Oh, you want me to help?
Sure, you think you can do it?
Yeah, let me try. Let me take my seatbelt off so I can try.
I need this needs to go in there.
Okay.
Put
Ooh.
that part in there.
Ooh, the cameras look smooth. It's too hard to put in there. I think it's too hard to put in there. I don't know why. You're hurting me.
I'm gonna have to, hold on.
This camera's not working.
I'm gonna have to take this off the window so I could try to attach this first.
My mom is trying to figure it out how to put this in this window.
And voila, we got action. All right. I love it, I love it. We got action, baby. Good job, bro. You did such an awesome job. Say what's up to the cameraman. All right, y'all, we got action. Boom, we got this thing on here. Got this thing on here. And that's how you do that. So, feel like it's up here sturdy. Also, guys, if you want to know how you take this off, there is this thing right here, and then there's one on this side. You would have to put your left finger here, and then you have to put your right finger there same time, and you just have to pull at the same time, and it'll lift off of there. So thank y'all for watching. Bye. You want to say bye? Do
bye.
This. Put your fingers over here.
Bye.
Alright.
I'm the one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley sprint fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young, I don't want that, they working my nerve.
So first you had to put this on there and use one of those pieces to get this part on there. Then after that, you're gonna twist this so that could fit over that. Tighten it up. Then this is how you unloosen where this can go and tighten it back up.
I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley sprint fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge.
I'm in my drop top, who's in the streets, I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me.